Hey, I'm Robin Thomas with Living Well Connections, and I'm here at the lovely Apex Chamber of Commerce building. It's been so much fun to be here with you, Tish. This is Tish Oakley, who is just phenomenal, and she is a wonderful business called what's it called?
Earth Monkey Energies.
Earth Monkey Energies. And she is just about anything you want about the energetic health and also balance and movement. I know she does Tai Chi, a lot of things. And I wanted to let you hear straight from her the kind of business she has and how she can help you. So, Tish, I know you're passionate about holistic health, and I know you're passionate about energy work and balancing your life, how you balance life. Can you tell us a little bit how you got interested in this?
Sure, it started a long time ago. It started back in the early 90s. I was raised in a really chaotic environment, and so my mind was very chaotic, right? And I knew that there had to be an answer, and I'd heard about meditation. Now, that was back in the days before the internet, so you had to read it out of books and newspaper and stuff like that, so it was very limited information. But came across some information about meditation, and then lo and behold, there was a Hampson meditation course that I went to, again, back, I think it was in 92. And I was blown away. I was just thrilled by the energy and the breath and how it's all tied together and how it really controls our being, right? And then, but I found sitting meditation was really hard. I was young then, again, coming out of a chaotic environment. And you want me to sit still for 5 minutes?
Thank you for saying that, because I can't seem
It's
to
hard.
do sitting meditation.
It's hard. It's really
Yeah.
hard, and also if you only know one type of sitting meditation, you're like, oh God, I'm never going to get this, so someone has suggested Tai Chi. But again, back then, who taught Tai Chi, right? Because
And there weren't YouTube videos showing you what it was.
there were no YouTube videos. There were only pictures of, older folks, holding these stances. And I thought, oh my gosh. But I came to graduate school at State, and I saw a little flyer on a telephone pole for Tai Chi, right? It's supposed to be. So I took it, and my Sifu was amazing. He was very traditional, so it was kind of hardcore as far as teaching new movements and whatnot. But he also taught QiGong, the Iron Shirt QiGong in combination with it. And then we also learned the sword and push hands, and then got into external Kung Fu. And I found, even though I didn't know the external Kung Fu, I actually had a leg up on the senior students because they weren't coming from a place of center and power,
right,
and balance. It was all just, woo, energy going all over the place, right?
Oh.
Versus coming from your core and driving your energy out. So learned, again, decades ago, how important your energy and driving your energy is to accomplishing your goals. So we fast forward through a corporate. I thought I had to go get that job, get the car, get that designer handbag, get all that stuff, right? And realize that's
not you.
That's not me.
At least that's not the you I know.
It's not me at all. And what, that's not important. That's just the superficial stuff you have to make up for whatever lack that you have somewhere else, is really what it is. So then I had a wonderful friend, that kept pushing me, you need to do Reiki. And I was like, yeah, right. I had done Reiki. Somebody had done Reiki on me years ago. And in all reality, I didn't feel much.
Right.
So I didn't believe much in it. But she's one of those friends that you got to do it. So I was like, let's make her be quiet. Let me go do some Reiki.
Take a class.
And it was life-changing. It was life-changing. It combined Ayurveda, it combined traditional Chinese medicine, it combined so many different modalities, and it was all the core of energy and the healing that your energy can do, and the fact that so many illnesses really come from an energy imbalance. It all starts with our energy.
Right.
And then something happens, and if we listen to it at that point, then we can do something without even getting the sick, without even getting the illnesses, without having to go to the pharmaceuticals. We take care of ourselves and our energy, and we can remain strong.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, that's such a truly holistic approach. You're looking at the whole body. And the whole body is run by our energy.
It's our energy body. A lot of times we don't realize how important our energy body is. It's like, oh, I got a blemish on my face, or, oh, my foot kind of hurts today, or whatever. But holy cow, that all started in your energy first.
Right.
Before it manifests in your physical body.
Wow.
So you got to take care of it. You got to, and you got to listen to it. And the funny thing is once you start to open up that communication with your energy, Robin, you know this. But then all of a sudden you've got like the key to Aladdin's cave, you
Absolutely.
know, Alibaba.
Absolutely.
You know,
For your health and for your livelihood. I mean, you know, this
everything.
this will help in any business or help in
Your
just
relationships.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah,
And anything.
absolutely. Makes a huge difference with all relationships, family or husband or
Yes.
yeah.
Because
Wonderful.
relationships are really an interaction of energy. Is what it is. Your energy and my energy are like, oh, do we like each other? Are we in a good place? Are things good? Because we all have to admit, there's people we meet and it's like,
No.
okay, not so much. And then there's people we meet.
And then it's like you see them
like,
across the room and like, I got to meet that person.
Yes.
I know that. I know that. So this is wonderful and you've incorporated so much. But I want to know how you help if a client comes up to you or somebody wants to, somebody comes up to you, what is your way of helping them?
There's a variety of ways, and it depends on where somebody is and what somebody's looking for. Like there's some people that need exercise, you know, and so Tai Chi is a fantastic way of combining exercise and meditation. Some people call it medication in motion at this point. And it really is. So if somebody needs to exercise, we have the Tai Chi. If somebody is so stressed out and, you know, wants to learn skills to manage themselves, then that's perfect for my workshop, because you walk away with QiGong, you walk away with breathing practices, you walk away with some physical practices to work your energy, self-monitoring, as well as a little bit of education about yourself so you know how to work this body that you have better. I had a client last week. She was like, after we did a little QiGong, she was like, so when I'm talking to somebody at work, that means that they stress me out. I can go in my office and do my breathing and calm it back. I was like, yes. In fact, what you can do if you're so comfortable is when somebody's coming at you with that ego and that hey, let's just take a breath real quick. And maybe you can even help pull them in a different state, and then you can build the business that much faster and get that much further.
Yeah, in this day and age, we really need it because we're such a fast-paced.
Right now.
This.
It hasn't shown up on my phone yet. Come on now. So it's crazy. We're all ADD.
Yeah, we're all ADD. Real quick, we don't have any patience anymore.
No more.
You want the information in just little snippets and
totally.
that's it.
And it relates back to my Reiki practice. So if somebody really is out of balance, I definitely recommend Reiki. If somebody's got pain or stress, anxiety, or if you're at a stopping point in your life, sometimes Reiki's amazing, because again, what it does is it moves your energy. Sometimes you don't even know what's going on. You're like, something's going on, I don't know what. And then all of a sudden, whatever blockage you've had, whether it's communication in a relationship, or whether it's an issue at work or with your children, whatever it is, all of a sudden you're able to break through that, because now your energy is moving and it's found your source, and you can work from your source.
I love it.
You ready?
I'm ready. I am ready. I'm ready. I love it. I love it. Okay. So it sounds like there's a lot of favorite parts.
Yeah.
What is the favorite part of your business?
The look on my client's face. No matter what we do, the look when we're done, whether it's the Reiki, whether it's the workshop, whether it's the Tai Chi, the QiGong, whatever it is, when somebody's like, and they can breathe and they find their power, their balance, their presence inside themselves. They've given themselves, because if you work with me, you're giving yourself your gift is what it is. I'm just helping you move your energy.
You're a guide.
Exactly. You're investing in yourself, and then you've got it. And just the fact that I'm able to help bring people into a different place and of balance where then they can go.
Oh, that's fabulous. Okay, we can get started. But to get started, people have to reach you.
Yes.
So what is the best way to reach you?
The best way is probably my website, which is www.earthmonkeyenergies. And for those of you that don't know, I was born in the year of the earth monkey. We just had the year of the metal. We're entering the year of the metal rat. So in Chinese astrology, we combine elements with animals. So that's where the earth monkey came from. That helps anybody understand that. Earth monkey energies.
And it's .com. It's .com. Okay, I'm going to post that under this video, so you'll be able to just click on a link and reach Tish, because you're going to want to do that. And she lives in Holly Springs. And so most of the central North Carolina is your area. Yeah.
With the highway system that we have now, it's very easy access.
Very easy access.
And I live right off 540, so
yeah, absolutely.
Be somewhere quickly and help you out.
This has been fantastic. I give you a hug.
You're wonderful.
Thank you so much. I know everybody's gonna be excited about learning that you're here to help. So let's anyway, definitely reach out to Tish, and also reach out to us at Living Well Connections, because what we love to do is connect people who are very interested in holistic health. And we connect, and it's free to join. You just have to go to Facebook and search for a group, Living Well Connections. Join us. We have a conversation continues on there, and we'd love to see you there. And we just love to help people.
Yes.
Take care and have a wonderful week.